Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UNAD. My holidays in Santa Marta. Student Yurisilena Cardoso Orozco. My experience of a trip. Visit the city of Santa Marta. Santa Marta is a city that captivates with fun and diverse beach plans, enjoying the culture of the people and the city that disconnects anyone. There are amazing plans in beautiful beach, historical tours of the city, and visit to hear of the culture Tayrona, natural parks and places of recreation. During the time we visit this beautiful city was approximately 20 days, with which we arrived at the family farm in a town called Magdalena Foundation. Likewise, we share a few days with them and we know different places of the artisanal town. On the other hand, during 20 days that this trip was made, the expenses were 100, but with this money we visit magical place with the Tayrona Park and above all the most important I share with my family is weather. Santa Marta is in times of December has sunny days where it is sunsets are beautiful. Sunny days in Santa Marta give opening to days with strong breezes and high heat temperatures, but as the day pass, the custom of having enjoyed those days and magical city does not feel the strong heat waves. On the other hand, when walking along is beach with its natural breeze and sitting the mowing on palms with way of windy days gave to enjoy some wonderful days with my family. With the recommendations, it is recommended to know and enjoy of the city Santa Marta. Enjoy with family the beautiful beach of the Rodadero, Bay Concha, the bay, and know the handcraft on the city that offer us in this same beach. Also, make tours on the sunset offered by this sunny beach of the Santa Marta. On the part you have to visit the Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino Museum, the Tayrona Park, the Santa Marta Cathedral, and some of the most important areas of the city, the aquarium, where you can see to the great biodiversity that Santa Marta, beautiful beach offer us. Santa Marta, which is the most beautiful bay in Latin America. My recommendation to take into account the weather in Santa Marta. It is advised to be vaccinated 16 days before against yellow fever to avoid disease. It is recommended to take medication and analgesic, sunscreen blocker, insect repellent. It is recommended to drink always bottled water. It is important that the food you eat is always well cooked and know where they're going to eat. My recommendation for the trip to Santa Marta. What you should do, share with family every minute of this trip. See the craft of the city and enjoy the different restaurants in the city. Enjoy every trip you make and different beach. What should not be done? Do not throw garbage. Take care of the environment in which you are with your family and take care of your belongings. Be respectful with people you do not know. You are not in your city of origin, you are visiting. Thank you.